Hey there! Welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. You can follow me on Instagram and YouTube because you still can't on Twitter because it is still suspended. Yes, someday I'll get my Twitter back. Anyway, this is the Target December Beauty Box with the theme Sleigh All Day. 'Tis the season of holiday parties, family events, and festive night outs. But celebrating in style can be tough with a busy calendar. Oh, these are fabulous products to help you slay all day. So why don't we slay through these products and jingle all the way to fun? Ho, ho, ho. It is the December Target Beauty Box. That's right, little coupon for $3 off that I end up never using. Sleigh All Day products. Ta-da-la-la. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula 2-Step Hair Mask. Yes. Step 1 restores shine and deep conditions. And Step 2 seals the cuticle in just 5 minutes. Yay. Then we have a Biore charcoal pore strip. Get those blackheads off the nose. Lumene Nordic Sea Glow Reveal Moisturizer. I enjoy that. Nice moisturizer. It appears to not have SPF in it too, which means I can use it for on-camera moisturizer. Fun times. We have, oh, I've never seen this brand before. Renpure Biotin and Collagen Thicken and Strengthen Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, they're plant-based, natural ingredients. None of those sulfates, parabens, all that, yada, 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 yada. No fake stuff. Then, what's this? Good Chemistry Magnolia Violet. So it's like in a little tube, which means you can just pull this out and dab it. Or if you have a little spritzer, I have one, you can just dump it in there and then you're good to go. Then finally we have Mixed Chicks, which technically I am, but I'm not. I mean, I have mixed DNA, but yeah, no. So Mixed Chicks Coil, Kink, and Curl Styling Cream. So it's got argan oil. So ringlets are beautiful, bouncy, shiny, but I've learned that I can put it on my ends to keep it from tangling, because I'm not kidding when I say when you live in Chicago, the wind will whip the crap out of your hair and tear up your ends. Like, I can brush my hair perfectly, go outside for 5 minutes, all this is ratted up from the wind. Anyway, that's the December Target Beauty Box. Follow me. I just want my Twitter back. Ugh. Stay beautiful.